Morning standard 7 and welcome to next videos of computer chapter 3, that is function in excel. Okay, last class or yesterday in the first video I taught the formatting in excel, right? And this class is all about functions in excel. What are the functions? Functions are given here: sum, average, product, maximum, minimum, round, square root, lower power and open. Okay, actually why functions in the excel and what are called functions in excel? Sometimes we need to do a large calculations of number of times, right? And in that case, writing formulas repeatedly, write the numbers repeatedly, adding them, etc., it takes the more times, or it is a time consuming process. So in Excel, to solve all these problems or numerically questions, it has own formulas. Okay, and these are called functions, and these are the functions: sum, average. We will discuss one by one, but the functions are made our function make our task easier and understandable. So different functions are under different categories like text, mathematical, financial, date, time. So all functions must begin with equal signs. Okay, all functions must begin with equal signs. Let me tell you. First we will discuss about the sum. Okay, sum. Suppose sum is used to find the total value, right? We know that. So for sum, okay, it is used to find the total value. It begins with equal signs, equals what? Sum, then value 1, value 2, etc. we can write, okay, etc., and we can mention etc., and that is equal to, suppose sum of value 1 is 10, value 2 20, and value 3 is 30. 3 value we enter, okay, and these are terminated by the bracket. Then these are the input, okay, and these formula are also called syntax in case of other language softwares, okay, but in Excel we are telling it formulas. So in output will be what? 10 plus 20, 30, 30 plus 30, 60. 60 will be the output. Similarly, average means what? Average is calculated. It is used to find the average value of given data. Okay, we can write it equal average, okay, value 1, v1, v2, v3, etc. Okay, then again average, value 1 is 10, 20, 30, how much? 60. So divided by 3, 60 divided by 3 is what? Output equal to average how much? 60. 60 divided total output 60. 60 by number of values 3 by 3 is equal to what? 20. 20 will be the output. Okay. Next is what? Product. It is find, or this function is used to find the product of the value. Product of the values. Product, PRO, equal sign PRO, DUCT. Product of value 1 or value 2 and value 3. Okay, you can take product, again product, value 1 is 2, 3, 4. So its output will be how much? 24. 2 into 3 into 4. That is what? 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24. Next, four type of, that is use the maximum value, or that is max. Okay, the formula is max. Given value 1, value 2, value 3, etc. You write max 55, 100, 60. Okay, so its output, the maximum value will be what? 100. So 100 will be the output. Very easy, students. Like this, minimum, write it here, minimums, mean, and here also mean. Minimum value will be what? Output will be 55, right? And the round one. Round means it is used to round up a decimal number. Okay, like see, the formula is equal, round, then value 1, value 2, value 3, etc. Okay, so no, not like this. One value is given. To round the value, to round value. Okay, to round the decimal value, number of digits. We can write here decimal value, decimal number of digits. Okay, round given 122 points. Suppose 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 0, 2, 9, etc. This value will be rounded up. Okay, according to the output, it will be 122.35. Significance of number says that after decimal there will be two values. Okay, two decimal values or two decimal places. And since we will consider this one is what? Greater than 5. So 4 will be incremented with one digit or plus 1, that is equal to 35, and rest will be cut, right? And that's the significance of number. Next one is square root. Okay, SQRT, to find the square root. Find the square root. You may write like this, and SQRT. Okay, suppose that 625. Output will be what? Output will be 25. Because root of 625 is what? 25. This is all about how to calculate the functions or using functions at in case of MS Excel, right? Next, students. Okay, next we will come to lower case. Suppose lower case. Okay, in case of this one, lower case and upper case, the same formula. Okay, same formula. Suppose I will write lower, the text. What is that one? Lower, what? Lower, the Rohan book. Okay, so its output will be the Rohan book. Okay, lower function is used to convert the text into the lower case. Similarly, upper function will be used to convert the text into upper case. Okay, this will be input and this will be the output in case of upper case. Okay, in case of upper case. Now rest 9 is left. Power, how to calculate the power? To calculate the power, is it understood? Lower and upper, the same case, just equal and opposite. Okay, and for the power, the function is used to find the power value of the given values such as base and exponent. Okay, base and exponent, right? Suppose I will say power equal power base value and then exponent. Okay, again power, put the value what? 5, exponent will be 3, its output will be what? 5 to the power 3, 5 5 ja 25, 25 5 ja 125. 125 will be the output. So student, these are the elaboration of the function in Excel, how Excel calculate mathematically numbers with arithmetic operations. Okay, and this is all about rest of the chapter 3, that is formatting and function in Excel. We completed that today. Okay, question answer you can do, or else will be provided very soon. Okay, see you in the next video with next chapter, that is somewhat editing in Excel 2010. Okay, very soon. So see you in next